Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you around the metallic box. This kind of box will get inspired from the Porsche car. As you can see that there are different color from the Porsche car, and the color is wonderful and it's attractive for everyone. It's kind of luxury. And as you can see, let's follow the camera to see closely how the colors would be. Yeah, this is it's kind of blue, and this is a kind of orange, and this is a kind of rainbow color. So we call this kind of bulb as metallic. It's because its color, the color looks more like metal. The feeling is a metallic feeling. So we call this kind of bulb as a metallic bus, but actually it's just with E27 base. Okay, we can turn it on to see the feeling. Yeah, when it's dark, it just cannot see anything. It's pure feeling when you hang it at home, but when you turn it on, it get a little bit darker colors and a little bit darker lighting on output. Very comfortable and luxury feeling. And that's all for today. Thank you for your listening.